Welcome back everyone. I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to install Instagram++, aka an extra Instagram on your device. Now what this Instagram is basically it's like an Instagram but on steroids. It brings a lot more capability, a lot of different things you can do, and it works as of right now. Again, it may get patched later on, maybe even an hour from me posting this video. By the time I even post it, it may not be working anymore, but chances are if you're watching this, you can still try it and see if it works for you. But the very first thing you want to do is make sure you have your iPhone connected to Wi-Fi or data or whatever. You will need an internet signal to do this as expected. So at this point, all you want to do is make your way over to your Safari browser. Make sure you use Safari, and you want to type in to this website, tutubox.io. So once you click on it and type in it, you can go and click enter. You'll come into a page like this, and what you want to do is you want to scroll down and you want to click on install now. You'll pretty much come into a different page as well as a ton of different ads, and you want to close out all the ads, and you want to click on the one that says signed. So one of the little things will say signed at the bottom, and there's a bunch of different certificates you can install. Typically, if there's one that says signed, click on it and install it. If that one doesn't work, then click on another one and try to install that one. And all you want to do is wait until an install box comes up. Once you click on that install button, pretty much you can come back to the home screen and you'll see that the app will start installing by itself, which is awesome. So once it's fully installed and it's good to go, you want to make your way over to your front screen. You want to click on the settings tab. So wherever your settings app is, you want to click on it. You want to go into general. You want to scroll down to profiles and device management, and you want to trust that specific certificate. So wherever it says Shanghai or whatever it is, you want to click on it. You want to click trust when that little tab comes up, and you're pretty much set. Now all you want to do is go into that app we just downloaded, which is Tutubox. You want to click on emulators. You want to click on PPSSPP, and you want to install it and click get. So you just want to click the little get button that's right next to it, and you just want to wait for it to fully install. So it should take just like a second or two for it to fully install. Now you're pretty much set. You want to go ahead and open it, and Instagram++ is fully installed on your device. So now you can do whatever you want to with it. It's pretty much just a free app, it's a normal app. It just gives you way more capability inside of that app, which is really awesome. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.